So I've been waiting a while for a package to come. It's come from LA, LootCrate. This one is about £16 for the first one, and then it's about £24 a month. Apparently you get about $50 worth of loot inside. It's LootCrate. I've seen some people open them. Are they worth it? I don't know. If you're a geek, then you might like it. So each month you get a LootCrate, a different one, and it's focused on different sorts of geeky stuff, I suppose you'd say. This one had a Rick and Morty themed t-shirt, I think, and then something to do with Harry Potter, Westworld, and then another TV show, X-Files. So it came from LA. I should have received it about a week ago. I just received it today. So I'm gonna find out, is it worth it? Is it worth getting a loot box? Who knows? We'll see. It arrives like this. Everyone knows you're getting a loot box. Unfortunately, it's not big enough for a mug. So I was looking forward to maybe getting a nice mug. So here we go. It's opened up. So here is the t-shirt. It is a Rick and Morty t-shirt. What does it say? Well, it's a great t-shirt, I suppose. I kind of like it. I know I won't be able to wear that. Now, here we go. What do we got? Socks. Harry Potter socks. Will I wear them? Maybe I wear them. Who knows? We get a pin. A Westworld loot pin. This pin unlocks something epic. Apparently, go to lootcrate.com/pins and you'll get it. It's a cool pin. It's got a bit of the maze on it. The maze in the middle of Westworld. This other thing is Westworld as well. It's an adult collectible, not a toy. For 17 and over. Well, I did say earlier on in another video I'd be doing adult toys. I don't know what kind of adult toy this is going to be. Okay, it's a toy. It's not an adult toy. But yeah, it's Dolores and Arnold. So if you're into Westworld, then you've got a scene and two of the characters from Westworld. Obviously, it's not for, well, kids might like it, but they're not going to understand the references behind it. I'll get it out again so you can see. Pretty good, pretty good. I kind of like it. Set it up somewhere. I don't know, maybe not in the room, maybe not as furniture. And then what do we get here? Ooh, this is the X-Files. It's a game. Is it a game? It's like a wallet. So, Department of FBI. When I was younger, I used to make my own FBI cards. It's cards. Score points per microscope in your investigation. So it's got a little card in here. 2 players. Each player selects an agent. It's a card game. It's gonna be cool. But Dana Scully, FBI. I like that. And so here's the loot checklist. An exclusive t-shirt, an exclusive Westworld Super Emo Scene diorama figure, Harry Potter socks, X-Files card games, Westworld maze pin, and visit lootcrate.com. The first one I got a reduction on. Pretty sure that the code I used included some Deadpool slippers. They haven't shown up. So loot box, I don't know what you're doing. I would like. Loot crate even. No one likes a loot box, but everyone loves a loot crate. So it's pretty cool. £25, I suppose, you get a t-shirt. This first one was 16 with a reduction. It's lootcrate.com. We'll wait and see if I get those slippers, and I'll probably stick it out for another month, maybe 2. You can sign up for a year and you get a reduced rate, but then who knows? You're gonna want to have Loot Crate throughout the year. You have to pay all that up front as well. So I've gone for a monthly one, which is more expensive, but then I cancel it after a month if I don't want it. The stuff's kind of cool, but you're gonna end up with lots of clutter. We'll have a look next week. Next week? Maybe not next week. Next month. We'll have another look and see. But it was okay. So let's have another look at some of the stuff quickly before I sign off. So here we go. Harry Potter socks. Got all the houses and a hat. I wasn't into. There we go. Then we get the maze. The Westworld maze. That's a pin. That's kind of cool. And then we get the Westworld diorama. Dolores, and Arnold. I'm looking forward to series 2. There's the diorama, there's a scene. Apparently it's been postponed, there was an illness. And then we've got the Rick and Morty t-shirt. Rick. And the X-Files. Circle of Truth. It's a card game, but we'll leave you off with this. Dana Scully. Gillian Anderson. So you can use it as a fake ID, I suppose. All good. So there you have it. LootCrate. Is it worth it? It's got some good stuff in it. It's always nice having a surprise through the post. And I'll open another one at some point, see if anyone wants to see. Next month's one, I haven't looked it up. It's going to be a total surprise. I have no idea what's going to be inside, but you get a free shoebox and stuff. So if you've enjoyed, then if you've had a loot box, then leave a comment. What do you think of loot box? Do you like it? If you've liked the video, then please like it and subscribe to the channel. I'll be doing some more videos on some sort of crap. Who knows? Can I say crap without getting demonetized? I don't even get monetized, so it doesn't really matter. So there we go. More crap to go in the house. Let's clutter it up. See you again.